Welcome, pie enthusiasts! Today, we're embarking on a delicious journey through the world of pies, where every slice tells a story and every bite brings joy. Let's kick things off with the quintessential American classic, apple pie. Picture this, flaky, buttery crust enveloping a warm filling of sweet, spiced apples. To make it, you'll start with your favorite pie crust, whether homemade or store-bought. Slice up some tart apples, toss them with sugar, a dash of cinnamon, and a splash of lemon juice to brighten it all up. Once your crust is ready, fill it with this heavenly mixture, then bake at 375 degrees for about 50 minutes. The aroma wafting through your kitchen will be nothing short of magical. And here's a little pro tip. Brush that crust with an egg wash before baking for that golden, glossy finish. Now, let's move on to a pie that's synonymous with the holiday season, pumpkin pie. This one's a crowd pleaser, and it's so simple to make. Grab a can of pumpkin puree and mix it with eggs, cream, sugar, and those warm spices. Think nutmeg and cinnamon. Pour this luscious filling into a pre-baked crust and let it bake at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. The key here is to let it cool completely before you serve it, preferably with a dollop of whipped cream. Trust me, it's like a hug in a slice. Next up is the decadently rich pecan pie. This pie is a true indulgence with its gooey filling and crunchy pecans. Combine corn syrup, brown sugar, eggs, and a splash of vanilla, then fold in those beautiful pecans. Pour this mixture into your crust and bake at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. The contrast of textures is simply divine, and it's perfect for those who love a little sweetness with their crunch. Let's switch gears and lighten things up with a zesty lemon pie. This one will brighten up any table. Start by whisking together fresh lemon juice, sugar, egg yolks, and cornstarch for that tangy filling. Once it's all set, top it with a fluffy meringue and bake until golden. Remember to let it cool completely before serving. The anticipation will make it taste even better. And for those of you who crave a tropical twist, we can't forget the key lime pie. It's a breeze to whip up. Just mix sweetened condensed milk, fresh lime juice, and egg yolks. Then pour it into a graham cracker crust. A quick bake at 350 degrees for just 15 minutes, followed by chilling, and you'll have a refreshing dessert that's perfect for any occasion. For the chocolate lovers among us, the chocolate cream pie is a must-try. You'll start by cooking up a rich chocolate pudding, then pour it into a pre-baked crust. Allow it to cool, and then top it with fluffy whipped cream and chocolate shavings. This pie is pure decadence on a plate. Now, let's not forget about the classic cherry pie. Whether you're using fresh or canned cherries, this pie is a delight. Combine the cherries with sugar and cornstarch, fill your crust, and top it with a beautiful lattice design. Bake at 375 degrees for about 50 minutes, and serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's a nostalgic favorite that never disappoints. Switching gears, let's talk about a savory option, shepherd's pie. This hearty dish is perfect for dinner. Sauté ground beef with onions, carrots, and peas, layer it in a dish, and top it with creamy mashed potatoes. Bake at 400 degrees until golden and bubbling. It's comfort food at its finest. Back to the sweet side, we have the banana cream pie. Layer sliced bananas in a pre-baked crust. Pour in vanilla pudding and chill until set. Top with whipped cream and banana slices for a creamy, dreamy dessert that everyone will love. Lastly, we have the vibrant mixed berry pie. Toss together strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries with sugar and cornstarch. Fill your crust and cover with a lattice top. Bake at 375 degrees for about 50 minutes. The colors alone are a showstopper, and the flavors are a burst of summer in every bite. So there you have it. 10 amazing pies that are sure to impress. Each one is unique and delicious in its own right. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy baking, everyone!